Many believe yawning is a simple sign of fatigue, but the origin story goes deeper into brain cooling and social cues. Scientists now link yawning to brain temperature regulation, not willpower, and show contagious yawns arise from mirror neurons. Past studies suggested stress or boredom trigger yawns, but rigorous experiments show the effect diminishes with familiar faces and reduces with fatigue. In real daily life, yawns spread more through attention and context than through actual sleep need, debunking dramatic contagion myths. So next time you yawn nearby, it's not proof you're sick or lazy, just a fascinating brain social habit.